Next is question number 5 from exercise 7a. Find the number which bears the same ratio to 7 by 33 that 8 by 21 does to 4 by 9. So it is given that then a number that let the number be x. X is to 7 by 33 is same as 8 by 21 is to 4 by 9. That is given in the question. Let us complete this problem. X is to 7 by 33 can be written as x divided by 7 by 33 is equal to 8 by 21 divided by 4 by 9. So this can be written as x into 33 by 7 equal 8 by 21 into 9 by 4. Can cancel out this. And x equal 2 into 3, 6 by 7 into this 33 by 7 can be written as 7 by 33 here. Cancel out this. 2 3s are 6, 11 3s are 33. So the required number is 2 by 11. Okay. Next is question number 7. Find x by y. If x square plus 6y square equal 5xy. How can we find the ratio or x by y? First we divide this equation x square plus 6y square equal to 5xy. Divide equation number 1 by xy. And we get x square by xy plus 6y square by xy equal 5xy by xy. So we can cancel out this. X square and 1x will be cancelled. So x by y plus 6 into 1y and y cancelled here. So 6y by x equal 5. Here to simplify this, let us substitute x by y as a, another variable a. Then how can we write this equation? A plus 6 into, if x by y is a, what about y by x? It is 1 by a. That is the reciprocal, no? So it is 1 by a. 6 into 1 by a equal 5. Take the LCM here. We get a square plus 6 by a equal 5. Or a square plus 6 equal 5a. We can write in the form a square minus 5a plus 6 equals 0. Now we are going to factorize this expression to get the value of a. So this is a square minus, we can split the middle term so that the product of two numbers is 6 and sum is minus 5. So can you say which are the numbers? Minus 6 and minus 3 and minus 2. So which gives the sum minus 5 and product 6. A square minus 3a plus minus 2a plus 6 gives 0. We can factorize the expression like this. Split the middle term. Minus 5a can be written as minus 3a minus 2a. And this is equal to, group them. A is common here. A minus 3. Minus 2 is common here. A minus 3 equal to 0. Next step, we can take the common factor a minus 3 outside into a minus 2 equal to 0. Implies if the product equal to 0, one of the terms must be equal to 0. If a minus 3 equal to 0, a gives 3. Or a minus 2 equal to 0 gives a equal to 2. Therefore, x by y is 3 or 2. Here we took a as x by y. So the solution is x by y is 3 or 2. Next is question number 9. 8th one, homework. Divide rupees 1290 into ABC such that A is 2 by 5 of B and B is to C is 4 is to 3. How can we simplify this? It is given that A is 2 by 5 into B, and which means 5A equal 2B. Or you can write A by B is 2 by 5. Also we know that B is to C is 4 is to 3. Here we can write A is to B as 2 is to 5. We have to divide this number in the ratio A is to B is to C. So we need the ratio A is to B is to C. How can we find the ratio A is to B is to C? Look at this B values here. One is 4 and other is 5. Not same. So we have to multiply this each term of this ratio by 4 and each term of this ratio by 5 to get the B value same. That is, A is to B changes to 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. Similarly, B is to C changes to 4 5s are 20 and 3 5s are 15. So we can write A is to B is to C as 8 is to 20 is to 15. So this is the ratio. Let us divide the number 1290 in the ratio A is to B is to C. First we have to add them. What is the sum of 8, 20 and 15? 43. Now for the what is the share of A? How can we find A's value? A gets, this is the ratio of A, that is 8 out of 43 of rupees 1290. Similarly, you can find that of B as 20 by 43 into 1290 and that of C as 15 by 43 into 1290. Let us simplify this. 43 and 129. You can do this 30. So rupees 240. And now B gets 20 out of 43 into 1290. That is rupees 600. And C gets 15 out of 43 into 1290. Rupees 450. So these are the values required. Question number 13. Do question number 10 as homework. The work done by x minus 2 men in 4x1 days. And work done by 4x plus 1 men in 2x minus 3 days are in the ratio 3 is to 8. Find the value of x. Here you can find out the total work done as number of men into number of days. That is x minus 2 into 4x plus 1 is 2. Here also total work done is 4x plus 1 into 2x minus 3, which gives the ratio 3 is to 8. Let us simplify this. X minus 2 into 4x plus 1 divided by, ratio can be written in fraction form, that is 4x plus 1 into 2x minus 3 gives 3 by 8. Here common factors, we can cancel this. X minus 2 into 8 is equal to cross multiply 3 into 2x minus 3. That is 8x minus 16 equal 6x minus 9, or 8x minus 6x is minus 9 plus 16. 2x equal to 7, or x equal to 7 by 2, 3.5. This is the solution. Next is question number 14. The bus fare between two cities is increased in the ratio 7 is to 9. Find the increase in fare if original fare is rupees 245. And the second question is the increased fare is rupees 207. We have to find the increase in fare on both cases. Increase in fare. How can we calculate this? We know that formula. What is that? Increased price, increased fare equal. How can we write the ratio is given? 9 by 7 into original fare. So apply this here to find the value. Increased fare. Here original fare is given in the first case. So increased fare is 9 by 7 into 245. 315. Now increased fare is 315, original fare is 245. So can you say what is increase in fare? Increase in fare is the difference between them. That is rupees 315 minus rupees 245. 70 rupees. Now the second case. Here the increased fare is given. You have to find the original fare. So the same formula we can use and substitute the values. Increased fare is 207 equal 9 by 7 into original fare that we have to calculate. So you can calculate the original fare as 207 into 7 by 9. 161. This is the original fare and the increased fare is 207. Take the difference to get the increase in fare. That is increase in fare equal 207 minus 161. Rupees 46. Okay. Next is question number 20. Find the compound ratio of first one homework. Second question. 2a is to 3b, mn is to x square and x is to n. How can we find the compound ratio of a is to b, c is to d and e is to f? How can we find the compound ratio? Compound ratio can be found by a into c. You have to multiply these first terms. A into c into e is to b into d into f. We can substitute like this. Here the first terms are 2a, mn and x. So therefore compound ratio is 2a into mn into x is 2. And the second terms are 3b, x square and n. 3b into x square into n. Let us simplify this by writing in fractional form by 3b into x square into n. Here we can cancel out 1x. So here 1x is there. No other simplification possible. So the required ratio is 2amn is to 3bxn. Okay. And the third one is root 2 is to 1, 3 is to root 5 and root 20 is to 9. How can we simplify this? Same way. Required ratio is root 2 into 3 into root 20 divided by 1 into root 5 into 9. 3 and 9 can be cancelled. Root 5 and root 20. That means root 5 into root 4 gives root 20. So this is root 2 into root 4 is 2 divided by 3. Or you can write in ratio form as 2 root 2 is to 3. This is the required ratio. Duplicate ratio of 3 root 3 is to 2 root 5. First one, homework. How can we find the duplicate ratio of A is to B? Duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. So, what is the duplicate ratio of 3 root 3 is to 2 root 5? Three root 3 square is to 2 root 5 square. That is 3 square into root 3 square is to 2 square into root 5 square. 9 into square of root 3 is 3. 2 square is 4. Square of root 5 is 5. So the particular ratio is 27 is to 20. This is the required solution. Next question is question 22. Find the triplicate ratio of 22. Find the triplicate ratio of m by 2 is to n by 3 is the second question. Do the first one homework. 22 first one homework and do the second one. Triplicate ratio of a is to b is a cube is to b cube, that you learned. So how can we find the triplicate ratio of m by 2 is to n by 3? Just take the cubes, that is m by 2 cube is to n by 3 cube, that is m cube by, what's the cube of 2? 2 into 2 into 2 is 8 and n cube by 27. So this can be simplified by taking the LCM and all. We get 27 m cube is to 8 n cube. This is the solution. Okay. Next is question number 23. Find the subduplicate ratio of second question. X minus y raised to 4 is to x plus y raised to 6. Do the first one homework. How can we find the subduplicate ratio? Yes, taking the square root. So the answer is square root of x minus y raised to 4 is to square root of x plus y raised to 6. That is equal to x minus y, the whole square is to x plus y, the whole raised to 3. This is the required solution. Okay. Question number 24. Find the subtriplicate ratio of x cube is to 125 y cube, and the first one is homework. How can we find the subtriplicate ratio? Yes, taking the square root. So the answer is, taking the cube root. So cube root of x cube is to cube root of 125 y cube. That is, what is the cube root of x cube? It is x. And what is the cube root of 125 y cube? 125 is the cube of 5. And y cube is the cube of y. So the answer is 5y. X is to 5y is the solution. Okay. Next is question 25. Find the reciprocal ratio of x by 3 is to y by 7. That is equal to taking the, what is the reciprocal ratio of a is to b? Reciprocal ratio of a is to b is 1 by a is to 1 by b, or you can write b is to a. Similarly, what is the reciprocal ratio of x by 3 is to y by 7? It is 3 by x is to 7 by y. That is the reciprocal of x by 3 is 3 by x. That of y by 7 is 7 by y. So on simplification we get 3y is to 7x. We multiply. You studied in lower classes. How can we simplify a ratio? So reciprocal is here is to 7 by y into xy. This way we simplify. Okay. To get the answer, 3y is to 7x is the solution. Next is question number 26. If x plus 3 and 4x plus 1 is the duplicate ratio of 3 is to 5, find the value of x. Do that question as homework. Is question number 27. If m is to n is the duplicate ratio of m plus x is to n plus x, show that x square equal to mn. Let us solve this. M is to n is the duplicate ratio of m plus x. What is the duplicate ratio of m plus x is to n plus x? Yes, it is m plus x square is to n plus x square. And we write in fraction form. M by n equal to m plus x square by n plus x square. That is m by n equal. You know that what is a plus b the whole square? Yes, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So can you say what is m plus x the whole square? M square plus 2mx plus x square. Similarly, you can write n square plus 2nx plus x square here and multiply. M into n square plus 2nx plus x square equal to n into this together. That is m square plus 2mx plus x square. Multiply each term by m. mn square plus 2mnx plus mx square. M into n square, m into 2nx, m into x square. Similarly here, n into m square n, n into 2mn mx 2mnx plus n into x square nx square. Can you see this? Nx square. Which implies mnx and mnx, when we write to one side it will be cancelled. Mn square, this term you can write to the left side, m square n is equal to square terms, x square terms to the right side, nx square minus mx square. Here what is common for these two terms? Yes, mn is common. Here n is there and here one m is equal to, for these two terms x square is common, take it outside, n minus m. Now x square equal, we can divide this n minus m to the left side, mn into n minus m divided by n minus m. That is x square equal to mn. Hence we proved x square equal to mn. This is the solution. Just apply duplicate ratio of m plus x and n plus x here and cross multiply and write the like terms together and take out the common factors to get the solution. Okay. Next is question number 29. 28 is homework. Find the compound ratio or ratio compounded of reciprocal ratio of 15:28, subduplicate ratio of 36:49 and triplicate ratio of 5:4. First we have to find the three ratios, then compound that or find the compound ratio. First one, reciprocal ratio of 15:28 is 28:15. Then subduplicate ratio of 36:49 is root of 36 is to root of 49. That is 6:7. Now triplicate ratio of 5:4 is 5 cube is to 4 cube. That is equal to 5 into 5 into 5, 125. 4 into 4 into 4, 64. So thus we obtained all the values. Now we can find the compound ratio. How can we find the compound ratio? Compound ratio can be find out by multiplying the first terms, that is the antecedents. 28 into 6 into 125 is to second terms 15 into 7 into 64. And for simplification we can write in fractional form and write 15 into 7 into 64. Here 5 divisible by 5, these two numbers 3 and 25. And here 7 and 28 4 times, and this 4 and 64 16, 3 and 6 2, and 2 and 16 8. So 25 by 8, or the required ratio is 25:8. This is the required answer. Okay. Just find out the given ratios and multiply the first terms is to multiply the second terms. Question number 30A is homework B. If P minus Q is to Q minus X is the duplicate ratio of P is to Q, then show that 1 by P plus 1 by Q is equal to 1 by X. First we can write the given thing. P minus X is to Q minus X is the duplicate ratio of P is to Q. What is the duplicate ratio of P is to Q? How can we find it? Yes, by squaring. P square is to Q square. And write in fraction form, P minus X by Q minus X equal to P square by Q square. Multiply. Q square into P minus X equal P square into Q minus X. Open the bracket. Q square into P, P Q square. X into Q square, X Q square equal to P square Q minus P square X. Let us write the values to the left side and X values to the right side. P Q square minus P square Q equal X Q square is positive and P square X is negative. Here common factor. What is common for these two terms? PQ is common. So one Q and one P is inside the bracket. Here what is common? X is common. So that is Q square minus P square. But we know that, you know the identity A square minus B square is A plus B into A minus B. Here we can apply that. PQ into Q minus P is equal to X into Q minus P into Q plus P. Okay. Then we can cancel out this common factor, or when we divide it will be cancelled. So you can write X is equal to PQ by Q plus P. But this is not of the form given in the question. It is 1 by P plus 1 by Q is 1 by X. So let us take the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of X? It is 1 by X. And reciprocal of this is Q plus P by PQ. When we split this, how can we write this? 1 by P plus 1 by Q. That means divide each term by PQ. This can be written as Q by PQ plus P by PQ gives 1 by X. 1 by P by 1 by Q gives 1 by X. Hence we proved this. Okay. C is to D. That is, if A is to B equals C is to D, the four quantities A, B, C and D are said to be in proportion. It's equality of two given ratios. So which implies A by B equal C by D. That means AD equal BC. That is, product of extremes, A and D are the extremes, equal product of means, B and C are called the means. Next is continued proportion. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, if and only if A by B equal B by C. In general, we can write if A by B equal B by C equal C by D equal D by E. The quantities A, B, C, D, E are in continued proportion. Also, if A, B, C are in continued proportion, then A is to B or A by B equal B by C implies A is to B equal B is to C. And this P is called the mean proportion. And AC equal B square or B square equal AC. C is the third proportional to A and B. B is the mean proportion and C is the third proportional to A and B. C is third proportional to A and B. Exercise 7B. First question. Find the fourth proportional to. First one homework, second. So let the fourth proportional be X. It is not given in the question. Let it be X. And we can write the ratio 3A is to 6A square equal 2AB square is to fourth proportional X. We know that product of extremes equal to product of means. 3AX equal 6A square into 2AB square. Product of extremes equal product of means. We apply that in a proportion. Now we have to find X, no? X equal 6A square into 2AB square divided by 3A. cancellation possible. So the result is 4a square b square. So this is the fourth proportional. Now question 2. Find the third proportional to first one homework, second. A minus b and a square minus b square. So let the third proportional be x. Here in the ratio a is to b, if a is to b equal b is to c, c is the third proportional, no? So how can we write here? A minus b is to a square minus b square equal a square minus b square is to third proportional, that is x. Which implies, here also we apply product of extremes, a minus b into x equal product of means, a square minus b square into a square minus b square. So x equal, divide a square minus b square into a square minus b square by a minus b. We all know that the identity, what is a square minus b square? Yes, a plus b into a minus b. First one we can do like that. Second, same itself, a square minus b square. Denominator also same, a minus b. We can cancel out a minus b. So the result will be a plus b into a square minus b square. Okay. Now the next problem. Second one homework, do the first. Find the mean proportional. Let the mean proportional be x. We take the unknown values to be x. Now mean proportional. 2, 6 plus 3 root 3 and 8 minus 4 root 3. So here we can take b or x, no problem. Here I took b. So we write the ratio as 6 plus 3 root 3 is to b equal b is to 8 minus 4 root 3 and multiply. B square equal 6 plus 3 root 3 into 8 minus 4 root 3. Multiply each term. 48 minus 24 root 3 plus 24 root 3 and the product of last two terms. 12 into root 3 into root 3, 3. Now you can see negative 24 root 3 and positive 24 root 3. That can be cancelled. 48 minus 36. It's equal to 12. So b square is 12. So what is b? Root of 12. 12 can be written as 4 into 3, no? So 4 is a perfect square number. 2 is the square root. So the answer is 2 root 3. This is the main proportional. Main proportional to 6 plus 3 root 3 and 8 minus 4 root 3. Okay. Next is question number 4, 5 homework, sixth one. There are 4 numbers given. Find the least number. This to be added to each number so that the numbers become in proportion. So let the least number to be added is x. Take this 6 plus x, 15 plus x. If we take 15 plus x, 20 plus x and 43 plus x, we can write they are in proportion. That is given in the question. So 6 plus x is to 15 plus x equal 20 plus x is to 43 plus x. So product of extremes equal product of means. 6 plus x into 43 plus x equal 15 plus x into 20 plus x. Multiply. 6 into 43, 258. Plus 6 into x, 6x. 43 into x, 43x plus x square. Right side 300 plus 15x plus 20x plus x square. Okay. Left side also x square. And look at that. We can cancel the x square and write the like terms in one side. First 6x plus 43x is 258 plus 49x. Equal 300 plus 35x. 49x minus 35x gives 300 minus 258. That is 14x equal to 42. X equal to 42 by 14. That is 3. So the least number to be added is 3. Question number 7. A, B, C are in continued proportion. Show that a square plus b square by b into a plus c equal b into a plus c by b square plus a square. So first we can write the condition of continued proportion. A is to b. If A, B, C are in continued proportion, we can write A is to B equal B is to C. Let it be equal to K. That is A by B equal B by C equal K. So first we can equate A by B and K. So that we can write A equal BK. Okay. And the second B by C equal K, which implies B equal CK. Okay. And now you substitute this B value in first equation. A is equal to, yes, instead of B, CK into K. That is CK into K, CK square. So we have this value A as CK square and B as CK. This is the first equation and value of A CK square is the second equation. Substitute the values in the LHS and RHS so that we can prove. LHS. A square plus B square by B into A plus C. That is equal to A square means CK square the whole square. Value of A is CK square, no? And B square means CK the whole square. Divided by, again, B is CK into A is CK square plus C. Okay, value of A is CK square and value of B is CK. Substitute that only in the LHS. Which is equal to C square K raised to 4 plus C square K square whole divided by CK, and you can see the C is common inside the bracket, no? K square plus 1. Here numerator also C square K square is common. So C square K square into K square plus 1 is inside the bracket. Divided by C square K into K square plus 1. So cancel out K square plus 1 from numerator and denominator. Also C square and C square. So it is K square by K. What is that? K. Similarly, we simplify RHS. What is RHS? B into A plus C by B square plus C square. Substitute the value of B and A. What is B? It is CK into A is CK square plus C by CK the whole square plus C square. Now take the common factor C outside. CK into C into K square plus 1. Whole divided by, here is common C square. C square into K square plus 1. Here you can see K square plus 1 as a group we can cancel. And C into C, C square. Denominator also C square. So K is the value. You can see LHS and RHS is K. Therefore, LHS equal RHS. Hence we proved they are equal. Okay.